Along with some. Ready, shot, ready, base. Mr.
President,
thank you, sir.
what is the Allied backing Palestinian statement, Mr. President?
I bring you very warm greetings from the people of Kenya and our brothers and sisters from across the continent. And I undertake this state visit on the background of 60 years of solid friendship between the United States and Kenya. And specifically, Mr. President, on the subject we are driving today here on the digital space, on technology, and the whole space around investment, trade, and the relationship that we have managed to build over the years.
In return, I think, as I said, we're going to prioritize the technological partnership between our countries, and our former CEO, who was also a former CEO, is going to make sure that happens. And Vice President Harris is already building a new public-private partnership to increase investments in innovation. And because our cooperation matters, it's not just for our own people, but for people around the world. If this relationship continues to grow as it is, I think it benefits not only the United States and Kenya, but will lead and will have positive benefits literally around the world. So thank you again for being here, and look forward to working with you. And you know, we keep investing in the true strengths of our nations, our people, and in the years ahead.
We're really grateful for Kenya's partnership in opposing extremists around the world, and partnering together to oppose Al-Shabaab and the jihadists, and same against the Houthis in the Red Sea and other places.
Kenya and the United States share common goal, and we share common values of freedom, democracy, rule of law, and we are celebrating this year 60 years of a solid friendship between the United States and Kenya, sharing in many areas.